Hi. Hello. What's up? Tuesday, 2nd of April. I have to call Manon. It's her birthday. It's one of those weeks where I want to vlog a little bit more. And yesterday was a holiday. It was Easter Monday. So I didn't vlog, but today is the official first day of the week. So I worked most of the day. 6:30, actually about to be 7. I'm gonna walk. Yes, you heard right. Jessica is walking to the gym. And yeah, maybe I would try to kind of capture my routine from a beginner to maybe a beginner too. I'm not a gym girly, I'm slower to it. And I just go, because somehow it makes me feel good. It makes me feel like I'm organized, it makes me feel good, like I take care of my body. I don't do anything extreme. I'm not going there for muscles. I'm going there to stay in shape. I'm going there to, normally I go on Mondays. As you know, yesterday was a holiday, so I didn't go. But Mondays or first day of the week, I do glutes. Wednesday or Thursdays, depending, I do back. And Fridays, the goal is to do cardio. So I'll do like 45 minutes of high cycle. Every time I go there to the cycle class, I question my purpose in life. Nobody sent me yet. I went there. And when I come out, I feel like I'm better than everybody else. So don't judge me, my hair, or like almost a month old. I wanted to do layers to have a bit of a new haircut. Biggest mistake of the month. I should have left it long because now I just have a bunch of choppy hair. All I can do is wear it as ponytails. It's 1 a.m. You might be wondering, what is she doing? She's cooking shrimp dumplings. Recipe from Instagram. It failed a bit. Everything is quite sticky. I don't know if I'm supposed for it to dry or whatever. I should have maybe watched the video a couple more times. And I made some salad as well. Yay. It was kind of a failure. Finally going to shower. It's still my gym top. And finally going to bed. That was really a failure. And I put way too much salt. Wednesday. Good day. Chill day. Why am I talking like this? Didn't wake up as early as I wanted. My hair still looked like a mess. My skin still looked like a mess. I had some rashes under the eyes. So now they're dry. It's going away. I am in the lunch break. I'm gonna make myself some pasta with pesto. Easy, simple, basic. And I'm gonna crochet a little bit because I haven't crocheted in a while watching with my family. The perfect combo. It's Saturday. I know I said I was gonna vlog, but nothing of interest happened in the last 3 days, so why? Today, however, is the first proper spring day. It's gonna be 21 to 22 degrees. Yes. In Hamburg. Yes. I'm gonna, for now I don't have anything special, but I'm gonna go down to the store to get some bacon and some milk so I can make like a nice little brunch. My place, I might eat on the balcony, which is gonna be fancy. And then I think I'm gonna have some clothes to fold, some clothes to sell, so I'll put those on Vinted. And probably I'll meet Luca today. I want to have just like a nice slow weekend. I want to read. I think we want to try a new coffee with Luca or something like that. And yeah, just enjoying the little sun. I mean, it's not really sunny. It's like warmer. So yeah, I'm really dry because I just washed my face and I didn't put anything because before I eat, I do my 8-minute ab workout, then I eat, then I shower. And then once I shower, I'll do all my face stuff. You didn't ask any of this, but here it is. You're informed, nonetheless. So what do you think of my New Balances? Luca hates them. I think they're cute. No. And those pants, I just got them as well. Nice loose pants from Gina Tricot. And they're just the most comfortable thing I've ever worn. Now. I'm regretting it, but I have the price to pay. It's really nice because you can see that the spring is coming. Like, it's 16, but it feels nice. Good little morning walk to the cycle class. Loving it. Sem sair do lugar, sem ter alguém pra amar. Eu não vou negociar a minha liberdade. Please, finally go at your pace. Instead of roasting me, can you focus on going down the stairs, please? Caos e digo pra você que isso é viver. Eu não vou. I'm back home from Lucas and I have 2 specific missions this evening. So it's Sunday. I'm folding my laundry and taking off my braids and washing my hair and blow dry them before this evening. Yeah, ambitious, but I got it. Negociar a minha liberdade por destino. I'm meeting friends for an after work. So I already did my hair because today I just had like a random bandeau. I just pull them into a little puff. I think it did pretty great. What do you guys think? Like, do you see the material? Granted, it's just a basic, but I'm just happy because my hair are healthy. They're puffing and they're smooth and everything. Not the length I want. Mind you, I wish they were longer, but better healthy than long and So I gave myself a bit of a challenge here. On Monday, I was to work. I went in the city a bit since I was already there. And I entered Uniqlo. And you know, for a while, they have this trending shoulder bag. And I saw it in red and I was this close to buying it. But I was like, no, Jessica, we said we try to avoid buying stuff. And if you want something, try to make it yourself. This is the shape of the bag. Looks slightly like a bikini bottom, but moving on. Shape of the bag. I made 2 panels. 1, 2 that I will link with this. So this is like the base. So I don't know if you can, it's the base. So it starts slightly slimmer, goes wider up to 10 centimeters. I looked at the measurement from the website, of course. So it goes up to 10 centimeters in the middle and then it goes back in again. And then if you have it with your, I don't know if that's really clear. But then you will have your pouch like this and the bottom of the bag. I don't know if you can see it. And then the other panel would be also linked, but on the other side. And I also ordered a zipper, a pink zipper on Amazon. This is the hard part. I'm not sure how to do that. But then I will need to add the zipper in the middle so that you can close it. And the final part would be to crochet the whole shoulder handle. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm excited. Today is a bit rough. It's Friday. I was crocheting until late again. I'm not feeling it today. It's cold, although it's already like 12th of April. Come on, give me at least, maybe not heat, but just like sun rays, something. So yeah, I'm just gonna make myself a little breakfast and then keep on working, basically. Oh, today's a short day. I hope I finish like at 4 something, so then I can just like hair. And I mean, actually I have to fold my clothes, but yeah, after that, hair. That's my goal. And I want to be done like by tomorrow afternoon or whatever the fuck. I just want to be done with it. I always take too much time. I want to be done with it.
Parc want to talk for a while. Sounds intelligence for images. Those images into as and sounds. Eu não vou chorar.
Saturday, hair day. Today I'm gonna braid. I'm just having quick breakfast. I didn't wake up as early as I wanted. It's 10, which is still earlier than I ever wake up on a Saturday usually, to be fair. But yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. Guys, I'm in a conundrum. That's how you say that? A conundrum. I'm in a pickle because I don't think I have enough hair for my braids. As you know, I'm braiding my hair this weekend. I wanted to finish yesterday and I got distracted. Oh, it seems that I might not have enough of my braids. I only have 1 pack left and I have this 2 section left and the one in the back. So this is roughly 1 pack, I would say. This is roughly 1 pack. If you all went to math class, that's 2 packs needed. I only have 1. So I'm trying to see what can be done. Should I do 6 in the front? I mean, 6 is a bit like, it's like chocolate. Might be a bit too light. Well, that's one of the front. I still have a bun in the back, but we don't talk about this right now. now focus is on the front. And once I'm done with the front, I'm gonna have dinner. And once I'm done with dinner, I'm going back to finish the bun and the back. Hopefully I'll be done by midnight. Oh, it's my last braids of being 27. It's the last braid I made in my 27th year. It's insane. No? Already? I have like a 3-way mirror, and I use it to be able to see on the side and the back and stuff. And now I'm just gonna part this in 4 ways so that it matches the other side.